how to fix insufficient funds Google Play error message. So if you want to fix insufficient funds Google Play error message, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings. So if you have a balance or sufficient balance in your Play Store, but if it says insufficient funds while doing a purchase, then just open up your settings and then scroll down, go with the apps section. Once you're under the apps, go with see all apps and search for Google Play Store. Tap on Google Play Store. Now tap on storage and cache and then go with clear cache. Remove all of your cache. Once you remove the cache, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can just go and clear the storage and delete the app data. Once you've deleted, you can again log into your Google Play Store, and then once you've logged in, you can open up your Google Play Store and you can go with the upper right and you'll be able to fix the insufficient funds Google Play error message. So that's how you can fix it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.